Hi, nhớ trong feeling for tua, especially to good yon. Nè chế sắm mai ở pan and go. Bây giờ mình dùng mong mình cả chỉ cho chơi ô nè chế chỉ cho prepare na. Cú là cú chỉ bảo cho nhà theo để chỉ cú cực tới nhà chỉ cú khen lên đó na, okay? So one of the first items that they have prepared kaya lu basket. This is for the deceased and this is where their lunch will be packed for them when they depart. Um, Second, you'll need a bow and arrow. Lotu Nang. This can be found at Como Town. Also, you can, if you know someone handy, they can make it for you. Lukao na. This umbrella we purchased from a shop at Hmong Town. It was just a white style umbrella, and we made it fancy. You'll want a electric candle such as this one. You'll need a saucepan pot like this, which you'll cook rice and lunch for the deceased. And this item, all items that we're packing here will be left or thrown away at the funeral home. Teapot. This is hemp fabric, also called Nang, and this was purchased from Hmong village. You also need a roll of twine, such as this one here, a pack of washcloths, along with a spoon to feed the deceased and a bowl which will be used to put clean water in to be used with the washcloth to wipe the deceased. This is optional, but we chose to get glass cups to put rice and egg, and we can hoopli for the important people, but optional. Some people just choose to use the styrofoam cups. So nó là nhẹ sẽ nhẹ đi cha. So nó để ít chia or scissors, shot glasses, white thread, string. These are cotton lunch bags, nandi shoe, which the deceased lunch will be put in there and packed for them in the basket. Also some thread and needle that will all be discarded over there. These are dantong that the deceased will need to wear, dantong shoes. So these are a two-part style. Also the konong, which is like the wicker shoe. You can get these at Hmong Village or Como Town. And then you got to make these fancy little fly swatters. This is just for show, but back in the old country, they actually use those to swat flies. A large, clear, empty bottle such as this one, which we got from TJ Maxx. And throughout the duration of the funeral, that's where liquor will be given to the deceased and poured into that. A box of Marble Light cigarettes and a lot of incense. So yo chủ nhà lên tàu yo mo ning trên lên tàu vì thế ning chết giống yo lo xỏ so yo xa cần tàu mình chỉ na okay. Cô chăm mi nè chế chế tiền li nó xưa yo chua li ya nó có mà li muốn nè chỉ cứ tin ning cha sẽ chua ra chỉ thế nó chỉ cô chua kinh li nó chỉ cô chua khen li nó xưa tiền li nó good luck to you.